So first of all, I will like to give a huge shout out to Star Zodiac, Alan Williams, AH Asultrix for commenting on my videos, and Feminarias for subscribing to my channel. Hello, so in this video I will tell you how you can migrate your website from one hosting to another. So the current website is logged in currently, here you can see, and I want to export the complete website and import it into another hosting. So for that, first of all, we will have to install a new plugin. So we will click on add new. So here we will search WP migration. So this is the plugin that we are going to use. So we have installed the plugin and now we will activate it. And now you will see this option right here in your WordPress dashboard. You can go to export, and here you will have to click on export to, and here you have to select file. So this will start preparing the export. So once it's prepared, you can click on download and you will be able to download the file in your PC. So here you can see the download is ready, and now we can click on the download button to download it. So I will use IDM for faster download. You can just click on download and you can download it to your PC. So here it will take some time, so I will pause the video and come back once it's completed. So now you can see the file was downloaded successfully, and now we will have to go to the browser. So here I have the second WordPress installed as well, where I want to move. So if you are planning to get a new web hosting, and if you have not made the purchase yet, you can see this link that I will provide in the description of the video. So here under this resources and discount page, you will see several links. So here you can see the best web hostings that I recommend. So the Bluehost is the top choice. So here using this link you can also get 70% off on this. And we have Hostinger and Namecheap as well with their coupon codes that will automatically apply when you will click on these buttons. So we have Liquid Web and Cloudways as well. So you can use any of these recommended web hostings. So I will provide all of these links in the description of the video. So now you can see we have the WordPress installed here. So if you are having issues in WordPress installation or setting up the WordPress, go to this playlist, and here we have tutorials on multiple web hostings like domain.pk, fasthost, and we have iPage and iNose. So we have done the installation of in all of these web hosting host points. So you can just watch any of the video and you will get the basic idea on how you can set up the WordPress on any web hosting. So once you have the WordPress ready, you can come to the WordPress dashboard, and here now you will have to install a new plugin. So here under this new website we will install the same plugin, WP migration. So sometimes error also occur during the importing. So we will see how we can fix them as well if they occur. So let's activate the plugin for now. And here you can see we have this option right here. So we can go and click on import, and now we can import the file. So here we will just upload the file that we downloaded. So here you can see the import is completed. So now we can click on proceed. So you can see the data has been imported successfully, so we can close it, and now we can visit the website. So you can see the website is imported successfully. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. So if your import stuck at any point, or if you want to change your domain to the previous one that you were using in your old website, then you can let me know. So we will work on how we can transfer or use the domain on the new web hosting. So thank you for watching the video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.